Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on them, and now we have to find the security option. It should be in the personal section, so let's enter. Now we have to scroll down, and here we've got whole credential storage option, and at the very bottom of it we've got clear credentials, so simply tap on it, and if you are ready to remove all the contents, just tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.